Hello everybody, do you need to spend countless hours in front of the screen to trade well? Do you need to take many trades? No. Actually, one good trade per week is enough. That's a very useful trading belief. What is our goal? Our goal is a 2 hour per week result. Well, this is a minimum weekly hour goal. It can be much higher than that. Is this too low, 2 hour per week? No. If you think about it, the year has more than 50 weeks. Well, that adds up to more than 100%. Once achieved that goal, well, you can actually go for the moon. Once consistency achieved with your weekly hour goal, well, then you work on increasing your position size. This is how you make money. Now, this is a trade I just took today, and it has achieved the weekly hour goal of 2 hours. Unfortunately, this week I was not able to trade a lot here, trading the Forex market, and I only had this day today, Wednesday, to trade the market. Now let's see and have a look at this trade that just came along just a few hours ago. So the overall question is always, what is the story that the charts tell? We're looking here at the multiple chart layout, right? Multiple time frames coming from the weekly down to the 5 minute. So this trade was taking on a 5 minute, that's a pound yen as system 2, a 5 minute short trade. So what is the story that is told? On the daily, we see a daily bar up meeting resistance here with the 200, and we can actually expect now a drop back to the green line. Same with the 240. The 240 had a big momentum move up. Now it's sitting on the 8 moving average, and it looks like that it has a good chance to drop down at least to the 21 moving average or to the next lower line. So this opens up on the 60 minute the opportunity to drop, right? Drop from here, from up here to down there to this prior support and resistance line. This actually clusters with the 200 moving average on the 60. So this is a magnet level towards which prices are drawn. We can see as well how the moving averages are already hugging price action from above. And these moving averages basically help in pushing price lower. But that's not sufficient to take a trade. Let's have a look one time frame lower. This is a 15-minute chart. Here as well, we've got a price target, which is a 200 moving average, another magnet level. Now, the reason why to enter this trade, well, we need a pattern, right? And this is a system 2 pattern. We've got a momentum move. We've got a sideways consolidation of more than 20 bars, and we have a couple of swing touches plus some other requirements. Well, this was good enough actually to enter a stop sell order to get into the market when this level down here gets broken with the stop up here. So I needed to go away from my screen while the order is in place. And when the alarm got off, well, it actually told me that the entry was triggered. So this is the entry, and this is the stop, and we're off to reach the target levels. Now let's have a look how it's developed. Well, it didn't go off immediately, right? The stop was at a safe place up here. We actually found, price tries to go lower, and we can see how important this flat line is, right? So price went there, bounced off, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now this made a higher high, and then immediately rebroke lower. Well, this gives the opportunity to actually tighten the stop. So this is now my new initial stop loss level. And now the charts look really great to shoot, right? To shoot for the 200, that's the stop run level, and price should actually go beyond that level and then towards and into this target level. But remember, today is Wednesday. I cannot trade tomorrow and Friday. So basically today is the day to reach my weekly hour goal. And this is the important part here in trading, to achieve that consistently. So by now I was actually already kind of break even. I was moving my stop here to this level. So now I'm getting stopped out. So that would basically be a minus 0.3 R. Let's see how it continues. Well, we've got a nice move, right? A clear cut through the 200 moving average. Well, that's what we are looking for. Well, this has more potential. It can go down and touch the 21. It can drop into this area, but actually my weekly R goal is fulfilled, right? So this makes it a 2R trade, and I took full profit here just to be consistently, achieving the weekly R for this week. So this is it. One good trade per week is enough.